Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unpack GT 2000 watt or ST 2000 watt portable power stations, and we will check what types of cables are in this packing box, and we will talk about it. So let's see, it's like this is the packing box here, and this is the back here. First of all, there is the user manual in English of the product. And this is the charging cable for charging this GT 2000 watt or ST 2000 watt portable power station. And this is the MC4 connector for connecting the solar panel. This is the male connector, this is the female connector, and this is the connecting port that we will connect with the portable power station here. And this is the C-type cable that we will use to connect the GT 2000 watt or ST 2000 watt portable power station. This is the car charger 12 volt cable that we will use to connect with the GT 2000 watt or ST 2000 watt portable power station here. And this is GT 2000 watt portable power station. Here we can see that there are different types of output ports here, like we can take the AC output port, we can take DC output port, there is a QC, there is a C-type ports, and there is a solar charge port here. So this is we can take both types of powers, either it is AC output power, either it is DC output power from this GT 2000 watt portable power station or ST 2000 watt portable power stations. Later we will talk about in details in the demo video, like taking the outputs from all of these ports. So keep connecting with us in the next video so that you can see that how we are taking the outputs from it. So thank you. Hello everyone, this is MZ here from CTech Group. So in this video we will talk about GT 2000 watt portable power station. I will take you a very short demonstration video in which we will take the outputs from the AC output sockets and the output from 12 volt car charger sockets, the output from the DC output sockets, and the output from the C-type ports, and the output from quick charge ports, USB, and output from USB ports. And we will check from each port the voltages and currents as per the specifications of this 200 watt portable power stations. So let's check them one by one. So first of all, we will talk about here, like this is a GT 2000 watt portable power station, and here we connect the 12 volt car charger port. The 12 volt is the nominal voltages here, and 10 ampere is the current. And if I trace this one here, so this is connected with this oscilloscope, so we can check it. This is 12 volts, 12.3 volts, and 10 ampere as per specifications. So similarly, if I just disconnect it here, because this time I have the DC port one time, so I connect with the DC port here. This is the DC output port here, and as I connect it with here, and now we can see again here, like there is a 12.6 volt and 10 ampere current as per the specification written 12 volt 10 ampere. So as I disconnect it, then there is no output here, and as I connect it again here, so we can check that the output here is 12.6 volt and 10 ampere. And similarly we will talk about now we will talk about the C-type. The C-type port is actually giving us the multiple types of voltages, like 5 volt, 10 volts, and this is connected here. Like this time the C port is giving us like 19.3 volt and 3 ampere current. And we can also modify this C-type port here. As we can see here, the C-type ports can give us the multiple voltages, like it can give us 20 volts, it can give us the 5 volts. If I set the 5 volt, then the voltages here is 4.2 volt and 3 ampere is the current. And if I set the voltage from the C port like 9 volts, then I can say that the voltage is 8.3 volts and 3 ampere is the current. So similarly, there are 12 volts. This is output for 12 volts, like 11.4 volt and 3 volts is the current. And if I set the the C-type output 15 volts, so there is the 15 volt, 14.2 volt and 3 ampere is the current. And similarly, if I set the 20 volt, Then the 19.3 volt is the output and 3 ampere is the current. So there is a few losses here. So the C port is giving us the output maximum 60 watts. And similarly, if we talk about this QC quick charge port, so this quick charge port, we are connecting it here. Like quick QC is a quick charge, and this is the output here, like 11.7 volts, and 1.9 is the current here, approximately 2 ampere current. So this port is giving us, the quick QC is giving us 24 watts as per the specification of this 2000 watt portable power station. So similarly, if we check this normal USB type here, this normal USB type, we connected it here, and you can check the voltages here, like 4.4 volts is the output voltage, and 2.4 current, 2.3 ampere is the current here. So this is giving us around 10 watts power here. So similarly, this is the all of the output here. Like we can see the output from DC ports and output from C type, output from QC, output from USB. The total output here is like 233 watts, and still this is the AC output port here. Right now this is off, and as I turn it off, I already connect this port with the oscilloscope here, and we will check the sine wave, that is it giving us a sine wave or not. Like you can see that there is a pure sine wave here as we connect the output from this port, the AC ports, and connected it directly to the oscilloscope. So this is the pure sine AC wave output here. And now we will talk about each port is giving us like 2000 watt output capability. And I connected the load here. That is also a kind of electronic load, AC/DC load. As this is the rated power of this load is 1800 watts. So we will turn on this 1800 watt load on this 2000 watt portable power station. So as I turn it on, so we can see that the power is taking like 1800 watts. And similarly, we can check the power here on LCD display as well. Like there is 2000 watts, 1800 watts, the total power, because 233 watt from the DC appliances and 1800 watt from this AC, from this electronic load. So totally this time the portable power station is working on 2000 watts and 2040 watts. So this is the rated power this time, and we can see that this time this portable power station is working on 110 volts and 50 hertz is the frequency here, and 93 is the SOC here. SOC is the state of charge. This time there is no input here, like we are not charging. This time product is only working on the output modes, and this time we can see that the small DC and small AC, both of the symbols are on. So because we are taking the output from AC and we are taking the output from the DC ports as well. So this time the portable power station 200 watt ST 2000 watt portable power station is working fully, and we are running it at its 2000 watt rated power. So this time we can see that there is no problem, and because as we turn it on, this portable power station on full power, so that's time the backside AC is turning on. And if we check about this on the back side, there is we have the flashlight as well. This is the emergency lights. This is 3 watt rated power of 3 watts, and at the same time we can just switch it off by pressing this button. And there is the charger ports. We will connect the charger here in the time at the time of charging this portable power station. So this is like a short demonstration video about like how we can use this 2000 watt portable power station fully on discharge mode by checking all of the using all of the ports, like the AC ports, like the DC ports, the 12 volt car charger, and there is a C type port, and there is a QC quick charge port, and there is a normal USB ports. And we can check the oscilloscope here. The pure sine wave is the output here, and our rest of the others outputs from this output from the this is the output from the USB type. This is the output from the QC charge, and this is the output from the other rest of the other things are here. Like we can see that everything is as per the specification of the portable power station. Then this time the portable power station is running on 2000 watts maximum rated power. So this is the short demonstration video, and in the next time we will talk about how to charge these portable power stations. So for this time, this is a very stable system, and we can take both of the types like AC outputs and DC outputs simultaneously. We can run them like over 2000 watts rated power products that are home appliances, any kind of, like we can take AC output, we can take DC outputs. This time, this portable power station is 110 volts as per American standards, but we can also manufacture like 220 volt as per European standards, and we are manufacturing it as well. So, for the more details about this product, you can talk to us anytime. You can connect us anytime. So, thank you for watching this video. So here I will talk about the temperature testing machine that we will use for checking the environment situation in very low temperature and very high temperature. So this is the